Alright, so we have to find out the length of the curve, exact length of the curve, and the curve given to us is actually y is equals to x square by 4 minus ln x by 2 for x belonging to 1 to 2. Okay, so let's first differentiate it. So what will be getting y dash will be equals to, so get the first derivative, so that will be 2x by 4 minus 1 upon 2x. This 2 and 4 will cancel out, so we'll be getting this 2 here. We can take 1 by 2 common, so we'll be getting actually x 1 by 2 outside, and here we'll be getting x minus 1 by x. Okay. So now let's find out the length of the curve. So formula for length